Hello kids, in today's class we are going to pick the last exercise of this chapter, which is based upon estimating measures. Okay, so first of all we have to understand that what is estimation. Estimation is that on the basis of certain idea or analysis or observation, we put a number, we come up with a number where we try to see that okay, this might be the dimension of this, this might be the length of this pencil, maybe this might be the weight of this particular ball or any object. Okay, so doing this thing is called as estimation. Right now, when there is a particular thing which is called as benchmark. Benchmark means that when we are comparing when we are coming with an estimation based upon a particular benchmark. Example is what? Example, I have a tennis ball and then I have a football, right? So when I see a football, I can, and when I see a football, and then when we see a tennis ball, we see that the tennis ball is small, but it is smaller than what? It is smaller than the football. So here I am taking football as the benchmark. Okay, so we can also call benchmark as a reference point with respect to which we are measuring or estimating the different things. Okay, so here what is given to us here are given below are some commonly used benchmarks, like weight of one tablet is about 1 gram, weight of two maths textbook is about 1 kgs, walking 10 meters, when we walk for 10 meters it is about 1 kilometer, but this again depends upon the height of the person, okay, the size of the foot. Then width of the index finger, it's about 1 centimeter. Breadth of a door is about 1 meter. Thickness of a fingernail, this thickness, this is about 1 millimeter. Medicine in a dropper is about 1 ml. A bottle of oil is about 1 liter. Okay, these all are the small estimates which we can take. Now, let us go through this. Ring the correct answer. Keep the benchmarks given below in mind. Okay, so we have a 5 rupee coin and the weight of a 5 rupee coin will be, it will be 9 grams or it will be 500 grams. So see kids, 500 grams is too much for the weight of coin. It must be 9 grams. Okay, now weight of a book, 500 grams or 500 kgs. It is 500 grams because 500 kgs is too much. It's a very big weight. Weight of a brinjal is 120 kg or 120 grams. It is in grams. Kg is very much. That too 120 kg is too much for a brinjal. Then capacity of an aquarium. It's 3 liters or 30 liters. So it depends. It's a small aquarium we are seeing here. So it is 3 liters. But if the size of the aquarium is very, very big, it can be 30 liters. Now, weight of a toothpaste is 100 grams or 100 kg. So again, it's 100 grams. Capacity of a glass is 300 ml or 30 ml. So capacity of a glass here is 300. It can be both, but when we are talking about this glass, this one, so here I'm taking this as 30. Length of a chalk is small, very small, so it is 8 centimeter. Length of a shoelace is 50 centimeter. Length of an aeroplane is 900 meter or 70 meter. It's 900 meter. Okay, so based upon what we have just done, let us try to find these. Match the object to the estimated measure as shown by the arrow. Okay, so we have to see that what is the estimated, what might be the estimated weight of this. This is a container which contains water and it's a big container, so that means it can store more amount of water. So now here when we see the dimensions of the measurement of the water is in liters, right? So let us go through these and find out that what might be the dimensions here. So in the first one it is around, okay, yeah, so in the first one it is around 4500 ml. In the second, 4500 ml. Yeah, I'm just writing the dimensions here first and then we can measure. This is 4500 ml. Okay, this one is 0.5 liters. This one is 300 ml first. Now coming back here, this one is Wait, let me expand it a little more. Yeah. So this one, this one is greater, and this one is particularly smaller one. Okay, so now let's go through this. What we have here is the first one contain large amount of water, so that means it can contain 4500 ml of water, where 4500 is equivalent to 4 liter 500 milliliters, right? So we can match it here, or I can write it that A, for A it is second part. Now coming to this soup bowl, it has less amount of soup, so we can match it with the fifth part. Now we have a cake. The cake is very small here, right? The cake is very small here, and it will be measured in kgs. So, and this one is greater. The we have two things to measure: a apple. So this weight of, or you can say the mass of the apple, can be measured with I, and this has greater weight, it will be measured with fourth part. Now the last one, where we have oil, we can map it with 0.5 liters. Okay, this is all based upon our estimations. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct unit. A bicycle weighs about 25. See, the weight of the bicycle is greater. It cannot be in grams, it's in kgs. A car is about 3 dash long. It will be meters. A bucket holds 20 liter of water. The length of a latch is about, the length of the latch is about this. Wait. So kids, here a latch is about, we can call latch as a door handle. So this is in centimeters. A bottle of an aerated drink holds about 300 milliliters. The thickness of a needle is about 2 millimeters. Okay. Now this is estimate length of your pencil, length of your thumb, length of eraser, book and table. So this I am marking as a homework. First of all, you have to write the measurements in centimeter, and then estimate. You have to think, okay, that what might be the length, and then you have to write the actually measure. You have to measure it with a scale and write it here, and then you have to find the difference in two. Okay, please do these questions, and if you have any confusion, you can always email me. So with this, we have reached to the end of this chapter, and I will see you all in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.